Items in the underseat compartment. Seatbelts are buckled left to right and left to right only. Any aviator under the red height indicator on the seat will need to use the center gray strap. If you or a member of your party has a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
I love you too, Papa. I love you a lot.
Right there, row 3. Once you guys sit, then I'm going to put you guys in the last seat. Yes, last seats. Alright, go ahead. Oh, last seats in row 3?
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during the flight and watch your children. Bienvenidos. Por favor de colocar sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños.
You're sitting on the thing you're supposed to thread it through if you want to.
Oh, I like it.
I did.
I saw Dad used to do the same thing, and so when it was by the end
I mean, this part is.
Alright, row 3. Talk on that yellow tab on your right side. You get the flight. Thank you. Talk on the yellow tab on the right side. Right there, thank you. Talk on the yellow tab, please, on the right side.
This is my favorite one, this one. Dream big.
Talk on that yellow tab on your right side.
Here.
Talk on the yellow tab on your right side.
Let's make 200,000. RT properties first. And let's get one passive income house on our budget. With 200,000 living.
Ready to start building some passive income. Ready to start building some passive income.
But that's the slow money game.
That's what we're gonna pass on to these jokes.
Yeah?
Why are you over there?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
It was in the back of the line. So.
We need some flips to get us out of debt. It's gonna be good, yeah.
I don't think we're gonna get the fair.
Soaring to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
We are